is Tsunami. It is an Ultrashift pigment from blue to green. This is Komainu. It is an Ultrashift pigment with the colors mauve, gold, and green. Here I have Tsunami. Tsunami is an ultra shift between blue and green. Very simple. Here is the green. Very nice. Bringing it around with the sun. Very nice teal, blue, green color. Very nice. Very nice. Here's the green. Here is Komainu Komainu is an ultra shift between mauve. And we also have the colors gold and green. Very nice, very beautiful transition. Pretty unique colors as well. Here's with the sun, the mauve. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Check out the description, check out all the links. I have the Intercoat that I use, the Urechem, very good product. I'm not affiliated, not sponsored, just a really good product, so I'll leave the link. The Clearcoat is the Cobra, sprays just like the Besney. I used to use the Besney a whole lot. The link that I have down below, again, comes from eBay. It's a very inexpensive Clearcoat, and I do recommend it, not sponsored or anything like that, just sharing out the products. And as far as the pigments from Eye Candy, I do have an affiliate discount, so if you guys use the code GT's Performance, you guys will save 15% on any color, any pearl from the website, anything you'd like, save 15%, so be sure to use that code. Other than that, leave some comments, let me know what you think about these two colors. And there's only 14 colors of these Ultra Shift on the sample pack, so I'm going to be doing 2 colors at a time, you know, short, around 5 minutes each. And other than that, there's only 7 videos, but at the end of this, I do want to try to get my truck ready, sand it, spray some primer, and perhaps even spray an Ultra Shift pigment on my truck, depending on if we find something that we like and that fits the style of the truck. I'll definitely paint my truck with an Ultra Shift pigment. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out.